My name is Kelly Doyle. This presentation is for Harvard Extension Class E-599 Capstone Seminar in Digital Enterprise. This is our final project. For our final project, our team has implemented a blockchain for business on IBM Hyperledger, which is going to track drugs and pharmaceuticals as they move through a supply chain. So I have 3 windows open currently that are running processes that are hooked into the local blockchain. I have one that's running the Hyperledger fabric itself. I have another window that's running REST APIs on top of that fabric to add and extract data and manipulate data. And a third one that's monitoring events that are generated by the blockchain that consumers can monitor and take actions on. And the fourth window, I've preloaded transactions that we're going to search. So I have generated a REST API using Hyperledger Composer tools and Swagger on top of that. That allows us to view JSON data inside the blockchain, but we're going to use the user interface to demonstrate some of our functionality. I'm going to take a quick look at some of the JavaScript chain code, the smart contracts that run based on our transactions. So we have a ship transaction here that's going to create a visibility event, which is our unit of tracking based on EPSIS standards, and it's going to emit an event to subscribers. Using the user interface, I can search and find visibility events for a given individual package identifier number. I can see batch details, and I can track this package as it moves through the supply chain. I can also view details on each step in the supply chain. I'm going to look up another product and submit a transaction in real time. So this product has a shorter path through the supply chain than the first one. I'm going to submit a transaction. In this case, I'm going to take this package, SSCC-0002, and send it to location 03-L01. Actually, I'm recording it as being received at that location. I submit that through a simple curl request. I see that I've received an event through WebSockets that tells me that the transaction went through correctly. So currently, before I ran that, we were at 4 steps in the supply chain. I'm going to run this again, and I can see there's a 5th step in the supply chain. So there we have it, an implementation of IBM Blockchain running locally and transactions being recorded and displayed through a user interface. Thank you.